Yo, what is up everybody, and today we're going to talk about the new Windows 11 installing on a unsupported system that is currently running Windows 10. So, I'm going to tell you guys what my experience is running Windows 11 on a unsupported machine while it's not on Windows 10. So, let's stay tuned. Now, you might be wondering, how can I edit videos with this computer even though that I don't have a dedicated graphics card? Well, that's a whole different story. I don't want to talk about it in this video because I don't want to go off topic, alright? So, I got this tip from one of my friends over at the Discord server. And they gave me a blog post, which I'm not gonna copy, because I don't want to get sued by all those big people, so hopefully they don't sue me, so yeah. Anyways, so I got my flash drive connected to this machine that I'm currently editing this video on, and I downloaded the Windows 11 Media Quotient tool. Then I just backed up all my files and stuff, even though I just have all my executable installation files inside my NAS, which you guys can tell my NAS videos somewhere on the right or the left part of the video. Yeah. Right now we're gonna go ahead and go to the BIOS. Not really the BIOS, I'm going to the boot menu. Every single computer may look different. Like if you have a custom computer that has like a UEFI BIOS, which my computer does have UEFI, but not like the newer versions of the UEFI BIOS. So as you guys can tell, it's running on a like command line UEFI. Like instead of like typing the commands, you just gotta type it. You just gotta use the arrow keys, just like what every single like OEM computer BIOS back in the day, when there's no like 8th gen, 9th gen, i5, i7s and stuff. Like I think that was the time when 3rd gen, I don't remember, but yeah. So let's go ahead and not waste time and then do this installation. Now that we are in the Windows installation, now we gotta type in Shift +10. Not really like the +10, but like Shift and then the F10. In my case, I do have a 60% keyboard, which you have to use Shift and then function key and then F10, which might be, you know, a big deal breaker, but to me it's not really because I don't really use the function keys that much. Alright, so after you do all those like command stuff, now you gotta type in regedit, which I'm gonna be typing in. And then it's gonna pop up this program. So once you get to regedit, then you gotta go to HQ local machine /system and then /setup. Then create a new registry key by right clicking it and then click new, then key. Then you gotta go rename it to LabConfig, which I'm gonna put on the screen. Make sure you capitalize the L and the C, and make sure there's no spaces. So if we have spaces, then it's not gonna work. Within the LabConfig key, create a DWORD 32 by right-clicking it on the big blank space. Then you gotta type in once you right click, then you gotta go to new and then DWORD 32-bit. Then you gotta type in the following name. Alright guys, so once you get all those names, you gotta double click on one of the DWORD and then press 1 on the keyboard, and then that highlighted 0 is gonna change to 1. Then hit OK, and then do the same thing to the other one. Alright, so once you've done all that, regedit application, then close the command prompt application. Then go back to the installation and then push continue to the installation media question tool that you created in your USB. Now you landed with the Windows key. Let's go ahead and click on I don't have a packet key. Then it's going to tell you which pair of Windows you want to install. To me, I'm going to go with Windows 10 Home because somehow my Microsoft account have a Windows key inside of it. Now we gotta go to the terms of condition page that Microsoft tells you to read. Just go all the way down, just click I agree, whatever it is, and then continue. Then it's gonna ask you, do you want to install or upgrade? To me, I'm gonna go for a first copy of it, so I'm gonna go for the second option. Then I go ahead and delete the partitions from my old drive, my Windows 10 drive, and then install Windows 11 on it. Now, with all that stuff installed, now I'm gonna go ahead and go through the setup process, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do all the things that I gotta do, and then see you guys when I want to talk about something. So now we're going to talk about Microsoft account. I do have a Microsoft account. Somehow it has a Windows key in it. So why not just put my Microsoft account into it? Since I have my Xbox account connected to it, especially when I play Minecraft on the computer. Which I don't really play very often nowadays because I was so busy and everything outside of like games and stuff. And I don't have a very powerful computer just to run like shaders and everything. I mean, it can run up to fine, but I mean, still playable. But I don't really. Thank you, Microsoft. I do not want Office 365 because I don't want to use your like computer like document service compared to Google. Now it's the moment that we're waiting for. application is a success on a very low end, not very, but kind of low end system. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I got my file explorer, and then I'm gonna show you guys in my screen recording once I get this thing finished, which I already did by the time I'm editing. As you can tell, I'm trying to connect to my my NAS server, which you guys can tell in the video. Like I don't know if I said it before, but as you can tell, I can go to my this PC section. That way I can have like the little drive letter and everything. It's a good thing to have a server as a YouTuber when you know have like tons of videos you want to work with and all the work that you gotta do. And if you want to show B-roll, boom, I can just pull up. Let's say if I have a speaker with you, I can just put a B-roll on another video. Let's say if I'm making I don't know, some kind of bus speaker in a 2022 video, which I'm not gonna do because I don't review speakers that much. So, anyways, back to the video. See you guys when I'm done with the whole setup, which I did. Alright guys, so I'm currently editing this video, as you guys can tell. I got my Discord out here. Yeah, that's my Windows 11 operating system that's inside of my Intel like Dell Optiplex 7010 not operating system. I mean the computer. You know, I got other applications on here, which are my files and everything, which are my NAS. A lot of stuff, right? And pretty much it. So, as you guys can tell, I'm having my wallpaper and everything. Here, with the system. Here we go. We got my i5 3175S, which I should have done earlier. 8 gigabytes of RAM, and then Windows 11 Home. Why would I say 10? Windows 11 Home 22H2, which is the latest Windows 11 system. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this computer. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna say a tutorial here, because this is just my experience when I try to install Windows 11 on a system that doesn't have all those like 8th gen and newer type systems. So yeah, see you guys. I'm gonna add this ending here. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on the notifications so you guys don't really miss any videos. And yeah, peace out. The how do you even say it?